Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am not even going to ask how your costing exam went because it is in the past and it is not in our hands right now. It is not in our control right now. If it went well, yes, very good for you. If it did not go well also, it's okay guys. Please move forward, keep marching forward. That is more important. Auditing is an extremely vast subject, so let's see what we have to do in the next 1.5 days. I have a plan for you all which I will be sharing as part of this video, and let's see what are the resources which is available for the subject auditing. The first one is the marathon. The marathon is recorded, it's about 15 to 16 hours and it has time stamps guys. So whichever standard you feel you are not comfortable with, please make use of the marathon. Expected questions. I have made expected questions specifically for Jan 2025 attempt. It is based on trend only and not based on my gut feeling and all. Please make use of that expected questions. Remember, from the expected questions for the September attempt, more than 40 marks only from descriptive, 40 out of 70 marks has come from my expected question. So please make use of that resource also. Our free case study based MCQs, exactly like how ICA is testing, we have MCQs for that. For your practice, it is in Dira test. All of this, it is available in the description boxes below. The links are available. Please make use of that guys. CARO revision. I did a revision of the entire 21 clauses of CARO in 10 minutes of time, and there is another video for CARO, how to remember the clauses, a beautiful story. If you have not already seen that, please see that very short video. It will be very helpful. And last but not the least, RTP is available for Jan 2025. If you do it with me, it will be much faster. About less than 1 hour you will be finishing the RTP revision also. Now these are the resources available. Let me quickly tell you what you have to do in this 1.5 days. Should I keep studying, ma'am? Should I ever take a break in this 1.5 days? Yes, you have to take ample amount of breaks guys. Now this is the 1.5 day strategy I have made for you. Let me explain it for you. Now on 17 Jan, when you're watching this video, probably you're traveling back home and you're preparing how to do this auditing and all. Today itself, I want you to start off with essay 300 and finish off bank audit in the slot 1. 2 hours I have given you for 300 and bank audit. Slot 2, I want you to finish off all the 500 series. Again, 2 hours for that. Compulsory 7 hours of sleep every day is required for you to be fresh in your head the next day, so that next day study also will be effective for you guys. Now 18 Jan, I have split the day into 5. I have 5 slots for you. Slot number 1, you're gonna wake up at 6:30, 7 o'clock you're gonna start studying. Start off with 700 series, 230, 600, 610, 260, 265, small standards and big standards combined I've given. 8:30 to 9:30, just 1 hour. Ethics half an hour, cooperative societies half an hour. 1 hour, please take a breakfast break. After you come back from breakfast, you might feel a little sleepy. That's why I've given CARO. Now you can make use of the resource which is available for CARO, and then you go to 3:30 automated environment and 3:20. Please go for a good lunch break. Remember to eat healthy. Don't eat full stomach because you're going to feel sleepy after the lunch break. You're going to come back and do something interesting. Interesting nale start of audit, that is 200, 210, 299 you'll be doing. Now you're into the subject again. Then slowly you'll go to heavier topics, that is different types of entities, 450 and quality standards. Next again 1 full hour for coffee break. Also I have given you guys 5 to 6 p.m. coffee break, and then you're again going to come back. Now you're recharged after the coffee. So big standard essay 315, you're gonna finish that off in just 1.5 hours, and then half an hour for government company. Go for dinner, again 1 hour of dinner break. Then you're gonna see all the backlogs which is there for the day. Now, why have I given this backlogs? Because you will tell, ma'am, in 1.5 hours you finish off 315. For me, it took 2 hours. For me, it took 2.5 hours. So, if you're not able to finish it in that time slot, please make use of it here. Between 9 to 11, I have given separate backlogs. So, please make use of that. That 2 hours is only for backlogs, whichever day. So, this day backlogs plus this day backlogs, 2 hours is there at the end of 18th Jan. Now 19th Jan, you definitely have to see RTP, MTP, and remember guys, for RTP, my resource is available for free on YouTube channel. The link is also down. So please save that and keep it. Don't search it on the day of exam. You don't want to waste time on the day of exam. But before that, important topics, items of FS and company audit, just revise through. For that 2 hours I have given. Ma'am, whatever you told is okay, ma'am, but I want to make my own schedule. Yes, please make use of this to make your own schedule. 17th Jan, I have 2 slots. Break is there, 9 to 9:30. Break is given here, and then comes 18th Jan, 5 slots is there, 9 to 11. I have given backlogs. If you feel, no ma'am, I will make schedule, I don't need backlogs. So you don't need this. You make your own schedule just using these time slots so that you get sufficient amount of breaks, guys. Please hydrate well, sleep well, eat well, and all the very best for your auditing exams, guys.